What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in LA. Haven't been out to Nike outlet in a while. Let's go check out Watts. One of my favorite Nike outlets out in LA. Let's go. All right, I've been here forever. Oh my goodness. Feels like it's been forever. All right, 20% off the back wall. Let's look around. All right, 20% off the back wall. Dang, it looks like all the refurbished stuff is mixed in with all the regular sizes. All right, let's go to size 10 now. Dang, dude, look at this. Look at this. This is a size 9. Not my size, but that is fire to be able to find these for freaking $20. 20% off. What am I talking about? 20% off. That is insane. That's what I'm talking about. No, they look clean. They're clean, bro. They're clean. Doesn't look like it's been worn or nothing. Just a return. That is fire. Holy cow. All right, those playoff 13s just stuck out. So I had to show you guys those. Gently worn. These are going for $93. Got a bunch of these center courts going for $60. Then you get that extra 20 off. Like extra Butterfingers today already. God damn, dude. $60 for these as well. Flight 89 is going for $100. Air Force One High. Nike by You. Oh, Chicago colorway. It is with canvas. Chicago. Okay. And then look at this. This is fire too. $110. Get that extra 20 off. That is fire. This colorway is dope. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a fan of the material on these. I've said it a million times. No point in me talking about it again. But yeah, I guess I already talked about it. My bad. But yeah, get these for another 20% off. That's what's up. That's what's up. Blazer low 10s. $48. When you get that extra 20. $113 for these LeBrons right here. These the what the LeBrons? What the hell? Totally different colors. So that's $113 and then goes under 100 after the 20 off. These still go for $2 bills. Isn't that cheap at the retail shops? Kind of like a Lakers colorway. Kind of matches the Lakers gear. $100 for those. That's $80 after discount. I think it's supposed to be in the size 10.5, but yeah, $100 for these. Dang, dude, I keep finding these, but not my size. Son of a monkey. This is a size 12. That is fire to be able to get these for a discount. Like, that's what I'm used to, man. I'm used to, getting Jordans. That's how it was when my channel started, man. It was all about buying Jordans at a discount, especially at the outlets. That was fire. Getting close to that. We're getting close. All right, dude, got these for $65. What's OTC? What school is OTC? Is that a school or is that? We Are Tree? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what that is. But yeah, got these bad boys. $65. Someone's gonna be like, "Don't you know what that?" My bad. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. The Pegasus 38. It's a Browns colorway. Going for $65. Size 11.5. Is it a gently worn? I'm telling you, gently worn doesn't always mean gently worn. Okay, this one does look like it's gently worn, but not all the time. And then sometimes, remember the gently worn's all torn up. I showed you guys those Jordan 1 lows that were torn up, supposedly gently worn. I was like, man, those are cooked, don't we? All right, dude, got these bad boys right here. Scorpions, remember? Like, these were always full price now. $100? $100? Not bad. Oh, $125, my bad, and then 20 off. About $100. Did forget to let you guys know, it looks like they're putting all the refurbished stuff on top. Then the regular sneakers, they do go on the bottom. More 37, size 12. Gently worn, $93. Nike waffle, Nike by You. I always like to see the Nike by You colors. That's okay. Got purple, it's all right. Oh, got the name on their Mac. Got Ryan. Those are pretty mediocre, Ryan Mac. I did forget the price, $65. You can get 20% off of that. Pegasus 39, $65. That is definitely worn, not gently worn. They're worn. 2 trays go for $85, size 12. And a bunch of the Jordan 37s. I'm not gonna show this because we've seen a million of those. Big Fit Gang got the Jordan 2s right here. $175. Like, I am a fan of these, man. I am a fan of them, just not enough to spend $2 bills for them. Like I said, I'm trying to find Jordans at a discount, dogs. You know what I'm saying? Dude, got these bad boys. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, gently worn. This definitely gently worn, or worn period. But they look dope. They got a little hit of brass or gold on them. We did see these last time, 95. Size 14 Vaporfly. Next percent 2s go for $230. Witnesses, $80 for those. Air Max 90s, $120. 2017s, $131. $125 for those Jordan 1 mid. Kill shot right next door, go for $85. We've been seeing these a little bit cheaper at some of the other spots. This is size 9.5. Oh, I forgot I'm in the smaller sizes now. Some Chelsea ones. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of dope. So you got Pegasus 39 or Pegasus 40 Chelsea go for $140. Got some Air Force One retros. I've been telling people, hey, if you get Air Force Ones, buy the retros. This is a retro. Leather is a lot nicer. They have ones that are tumbled leather and stuff like that. I've been telling people, hey, get those instead of just the regular Air Force Ones. You know, they are a few more dollars though, $150 as opposed to I think $110 right now. But you can find them on sale hopefully. Size 9, another one of those. We'll go for $93. I guess it's 36 is slightly imperfect, going for $60. And this is the Jordan that I showed you guys earlier. Playoff 13, size 9. That is insane. Some people love the Chuck 70s. These are a cold wall collab right here. You can see with that little tab right there. Yeah, man, these supposedly these are like really good quality. Supposedly, I don't know. I know. You can see the insole right there, super thick insole. Looks way more comfortable than just the regular. Let's go. Is that React inside? Is that React inside? Okay, I don't know, but yeah, $110 for those. You get 20% off. You do get another 20% off, so it's not bad. Dude, got these bad boys, Scorpion, size 9.5, $250. Size 8.5. Seen some Cortez come back, which is fire. The blue ones right here. Okay, I know fools that do like these. Oh, these got suede on it? Nylon and then suede up front. I did not know that. Okay. Dope to be able to see these. This is size 7. That's an 8.5. That's an 8.5 women's. Okay. Is this supposed to be in the women's section? I think so. Air Max 90 right here. $110 for those. Alpha Fly Next Percent 2s. Can't wait till I get those. To be honest, any one of the Alpha Fly Next Percents, I'll take a first one, whatever. Tempo Next Percent right here, $2 for those. Size 9 Air Force One mid. Be able to get a little discount, not bad. All right, dope. Seeing some Jordan retros in the aisles right there. Ooh, are those the 8s? Are those the Rui 8s right there? Surprised to see those. Also the Noctas. Got Noctas here. That's definitely interesting. Been seeing these, the undefeated Air Force Ones. Been seeing these all in Florida, stuff like that. It's interesting because different ways of selling them. Some people got in the aisle, some people got them out here, some people got them on discount, some people don't. It seems to be different depending on which outlet you go to. Do got the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones right here. Got a bunch of band-aids on the front if you need some band-aids. Okay, how much are these? Normally $180, so down to $150. That's cool. And these are normally, I think $160, they're down to $150. Got regular Forces. They're starting to show what size. That's kind of dope. And got the tumbled leather one right here. And got the Noctas. Can wear these with some of the Lakers gear. Material's not too bad. Just not my cup of tea. Looks like a whatever looking dad shoe, to be really honest. $150, normally about $160. Then got the Rui Hachimuras. Dude, got these bad boys. Oh, there's only a 5.5. That's it. But this does not look like a 5.5. This is way bigger. Yeah, I don't think that's right, yo. I don't think that's right. But yeah, dude, got these bad boys. Pretty nice. We got the Afrobeat 7s, Green Bean 5s. And let's look at the rest of the aisles, man. The dark section right here, it's like hella dark. The light bulbs are on. It's kind of interesting. All right, dude, got these white cement Hydro 3s. Got the Luca ones. I can't believe they still have these. It's a pretty dope colorway. Black and white. Can't really go wrong with that. 11 Low Comforts. Jordan 1 Take 4s. Jumpman 2021s. Jordan 37 Premiums. And then you get that extra 20% off on top. So that's not too bad. That brings out to $120? $120 for these as well. Then got a bunch of the extra generic Jordans. The Jordan Access. Another one right here, and a third one. I don't know why, but the Access just looks extra generic. Delta Load 3s. Got the Max Auras. Got a couple of these. This is a new buck right here. And then the lift-offs. Another one right here. Jumpman Team 2s. 2 trays. Some 6 rings. Flyies. Dub Zeros. Jordan 1 low golf right here. Okay. They still got these Blazer Sakai's. I can't believe they've had these for like a month now. The prices are going down. That's what's up. The acronyms. They have not had these Blazer acronyms for a while. Like nobody must have bought these because I don't think they've been here that long. They got the box right here. An interesting box. Okay. Got Blazers right there. It's the Sakai waffles. Yep. Sakai waffles. Multiple colorways. And then do got some Air Flight 89s. People were pretty hyped for these a while back, but hype for everything is going down a little bit. So back to being discounted. Got some Forces. These are some mids, some more mids. This is a wheat colorway, also made of nubuck. Pretty decent material. Some utilities. Then a bunch of Nike swooshes if you need a bunch of Nike swooshes. I just realized I forgot to make a return real quick. Hold up, man. I'll be right back. Chicago to UNC toe. Definitely don't need these. I don't really know why I ordered. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna return these bad boys. Yeah, let's go. All right, did make the return. All right, see if the clothing section's any good. It's been pretty whatever the last, I don't know how many visits I've had. They're doing 20% off. That's what they're back to. Florida A&M t-shirt. What's this doing all the way out here? Probably a return. $22. That's actually pretty affordable, especially with the 20 off. That is an XL. Okay, not a return because we see a ton of them. Howard t-shirt, Jordan Skull, $21. Super bright yellow Nike t-shirt, medium, 22. More of these bad boys right here. More Howard t-shirts as well. Multiple colorways. We're moving on to pants. See what's going on over here. Triple XL, $80 for these. Oh, this is a Jordan. That's a Jordan one. This is different. $50 for those. A little more affordable. Okay. Tech fleece. Like a clay colorway going for $90. $60 for these sweats right here. I don't see many shorts. Got football shorts going for $35. I was watching a podcast. Whose podcast was I watching? They said they don't let guys wear basketball shorts while going into the gentlemen's clubs. I don't know why. I've always thought about doing that. I don't really mess with gentlemen's clubs. I'm just saying, like if I went, I was like, hey, why don't anybody wear basketball shorts? Apparently, they've thought about that. They said the one that they went to wouldn't allow sweats. I think that was Bert Kreischer's. He said they wouldn't let him wear sweats as well. Basketball shorts or sweats. That was kind of funny. but dude got these bad boys right here. Some fleece shorts, Jordan shorts going for $35. Just seeing basketball shorts, that made me think about that. Dude got these fleece Jordan flight hoodies. I could have grabbed one of these. I could have grabbed 2 of them actually for $25 each. I should have done it. I don't know why I didn't. $65. I didn't want to worry about shipping and all that type of stuff. I ended up just buying a bunch of stuff anyways. But yeah, man, I definitely should have gotten those. Dang it. But yeah, these are going for $65. Normally $90. My kid wants a backpack. And I was like, I don't think you realize how much your backpack costs. But yeah, the kids, they just throw them, they throw them across the room and stuff like that, so they don't last super long. He does have the RPM backpacks, which retail for like $90, something like that. The Jordan backpack right here, $75. Normally goes for $125. Very similar to the RPM backpack. Dang it. I'm paying no damn $70 for a freaking backpack. All right, let's check out some more apparel. Got more hoodies and stuff, $50 for Jumpman logo right there. Nike hoodie, this is a thick, yeah, that's a pretty thick one. Go for $45. Got this tech fleece. I think this is tech fleece, right? I always say it. But yeah, $140 down to $60. $140 down to $60 and then 20% off on top. So what? $48. That is fire. That's such a good price. Chargers hoodie right here down to $80. $80 down to $80. All right, they don't have any of those nice jackets, fleece looking jackets. They don't have them in a medium though. They just got large. These are down to $67. That one is $130. Is that full Wheaties? Some Wheaties right there. Jordan with the Wheaties. That is hilarious. $87 down to $87.50. Did forget to show what I am wearing. LeBron 2s. I don't know what colorway it is. Gold, white. I don't know. but I don't know. I was a huge fan of these. I'm not like into all the LeBrons, but I really like these for whatever reason. Just this colorway, to be really honest. And then I had to represent with the Lakers the gear. Got the I don't remember how much I got these shirts for. No, it's for hella cheap. I just know I need to wear a bright white t-shirt, like a brand new white t-shirt with these, because like if I wear a t-shirt that's yellowed a little bit, looks so awful. Looks so bad. All right. Checking out the men's section. Checking out the women's section, especially, what is it, the size 10 and stuff like that, because I'm trying to help a couple kids with running shoes or whatever shoe. Size 10, I don't see jack. Do see a bunch of these. None of them being returned. Guess I'm not the only one. Size 10 and a half. Got some blazer lows. Going for 65. I guess it's 34s. I don't think my friend's gonna like this colorway, or the kiddos are gonna like this color. I think I bought this for my niece like 3 years ago. I think I bought like 3, maybe 4. That would have been 4 years ago when I bought that. $55. I guess it's 37. It's going for 60. Not too shabby. Got these Jordans. I was like, these are great school. We got the mids right here. Okay, the Skyline mids, I think they call them. Invincible Run Flyknits, $90. Dang it, if these were a little bit cheaper. I was like, these don't look like the Invincible Run Flyknits. These are the Zoom Fly 5s. This does have Zoom X, but definitely not the Invincible Run Flyknits. This does have a, I think this has a plate in it. I think it's not carbon fiber. I think it's just a regular fiberglass plate. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s go for $105. Wow. Jordan Mays, haven't seen these in a cool minute. $180. Another one of these in the 8.5 section. Size 11 women's, men's 9.5. This in the wrong section, but $105. Not bad. It's like new. Got some Joe Burrows right here, going for $35. This is size 6. Size 8 Pegasus 39. It's going for $78. MX 97s in all black. Size 7.5, $175. All white ones right here, going for retail. What the hell? Air Max 270s with these going for $160. All right, we're not seeing much of the women's. Definitely do want some of this stuff right here. Mine has the stars on it. The women's team. I do want some men's team gear. Eventually. I don't know why they made the women's stuff in guy sizes. I don't know. But yeah, I'll definitely grab these. Try not to pay full price. I'm trying to get it on sale. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Not too bad. Dope seeing Jordans available. You know, 20, 30% off, whatever. To be honest, it's more about the selection. It's more about the selection than the discount. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like having a bunch of heat with 20% off, way better than no heat and 30% off. So it's all about the selection. I continue to like this store. I'm gonna keep coming back. We'll see what happens. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. And I do drop tons and tons of videos. Make sure you guys click on one of these videos. Yeah, man. Hit up Nike outlets, hit up regular stores. Y'all know what I do. Click on one of these videos, fools. See ya.